Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agarwal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I am going to give you a special episode on how to pinch off the petunias. As such, you don't need at all any petunia plant to pinch off, but since this is specially meant for the flower show and you have to take special care and you have to take same shape and size to make it shape and size, I have pinched off 1 month back and you see the results. These are specially meant for flowers, so as the people see from the distance and this look should be a special kind of same size, same height. These are the plants meant for specially for the flower show. So these are the plants I have prepared for flower show, and 1 month back I have pinched off. Just have a look of that video and we'll come back again. Thank you. So friends, these plants are getting to be ready for the flower show that will be held in the February month, in the 14th, 15th, 15th and 16th February in the Alipur Agri Horticulture Show. So these are the petunias are getting ready, but now already the blooms have started. So we have to pinch off the small stems so that we can get the best results from it. I will be removing here. Right now I will be removing some of the leaves from here, some of the flowers from here. Just see. Here I am getting pinched it here total here, and new stems will come out from here, new branches will come out from here, and this is the procedure. And by the time of 14th February, all the new total boom, all the total bush there will be growing, all the total bush will be there, so that we can get hundreds of flowers out of it. So this is the all you have to do before, and before 10 days we won't do anything. So these are done here, and we will be doing it same thing here also, and we will stop doing pinching all work around the end of the month. So this is all, and just see how these are things are doing here. And when the leaves are big size, we have to remove here. If the big size removes are here, we will remove the big size leaves from here, so that the plant doesn't get much of the bush here. So this is the way getting ready for the flower show, and I will be showing you all the updates of how the flower show are getting ready. These are the plants here, and this is the method of getting ready of all the flowers and blooms for the flower show. And these are all welcome back, friends. After 1 month, this is the result of pinching of the petunias. As you can see, all the plants are now started blooming and full of bloom, and all the twigs, all the stems and branches are of equal height, equal length of these branches, and you can see a dome of flower and full of flower, and a few plants, some of the stems are shooting out. I will remove them also. Now you can see from the distance, you can look a beautiful look, and same height, same size. You can see this is a beautiful spherical shape, and it will look nice in the flower show. So this is the result of the pinching off. So friends, just you had look how we have pinched off 1 month back, and now I am showing you if you don't pinch it off and they don't need. These are the all the extensions are growing here. You can see these are the irregular shaped flowers, and here you can see these are all the irregular growth. And just have a look, lot of plants have that irregular growth, and this is the reason why I pinched off. You don't need at all pinch off, and some of the flower plants you don't need at all pinch off. This is the for impatiens and the hollyhock, poppy, geranium, and many of the plants you don't need at all pinch off. But if you want, you can pinch off some calendula, some salvia, and some French marigold or some antirrhinum. You have a look. We have pinched off some antirrhinum, some celosia, and some French marigold. And just you see lots of branches have come out here, and you will be amazed to see the things are real. So just have a look of that video, and we'll come back and thank you. These are the plants of salvia and different colored salvia. We have potted the plants and I pinched off twice, and now I can show you the antirrhinum. These are also grown in the containers and you see the flower, and lots of branches have come out here. I pinched off twice or thrice the plants, and this is the result. You can see lots of branches have come out here, and this is the outcome of pinching off this antidenum. So some plants you can pinch off and some plants you cannot, and you have to decide. I have given the list here which plants you should pinch off and which not. So this is the result of antirrhinum. Now I will be showing some other plants also, what are the now current situations of the plants in my garden, and you will like to amass to see. So just have a look of other plants also. These are pinched off plant of French marigold, and as you can see lots of branches and lots of flowering are done here in French marigold. But I tell you don't pinch off in Inca or Indica variety of marigold. This is only the French marigold. You can do the pinching off, and this will give you lots of benefits for pinching off. So this is the process and how I am showing you another plant. Some of the plants here you can see this is aster. So aster you should not pinch off, and if you pinch off the aster the flowering will not occur. So you should not pinch off the aster flowers. And this is also Indica variety marigold. They are not the pinching off, and these are not pinched off at all. So without pinching off, hundreds of flowers are there. You can see in Indica variety, and lots of flowers around 3 to 4 inches diameter. Beautiful flowers of Indica variety Thailand marigold. And now I show you the zinnia. These are not at all pinched off. Zinnia you should not pinch off, and in aster you should not pinch off, in marigold you should not pinch off, and lots of plants that should not be pinched up at all. And again in impatiens you need not pinch up at all. These are not pinched up, and they branch out naturally, and you can see there are more than 30 to 40 branches are here. In each branch you can see lots of all the flower buds and flower are there. So without pinching up you can get hundreds of flowers here. So you don't need at all the pinching of these impatiens. So this is the plants you should not pinch up. So many plants are there, you need not pinch up at all. This is the plant. So friends, these are the all marigold, French marigold. I have pinched it up, and you can see lots of branches here. And I tell you, don't pinch up any Inca variety or big size marigold. You don't need to pinch it up at all, and that may hamper you lots. And you don't have to pinch up lots of dahlias, some varieties of dahlia, and some of the especially some chrysanthemum also. These are snowball variety. You don't have to pinch up. And this is all the fancy. You don't need at all the pinching off. So, and some of the here you can see these are the all asters and some zinnia. We need not pinch up at all. And these are the all that marigolds are here. Some Indica variety. You don't need at all a pinch. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like it, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. And if you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I am going to give you a lot about the various pinching up and various gardening techniques and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.